So I'm growing romaine lettuce for the first time, and now it's starting to grow vertical. And when I taste it, it's very bitter. Should I pull it out of the ground? It doesn't taste very edible, or is it going to get better?
Okay, so if it's going vertical, it's going to seed or going to bolt. Daylight length, and temperature is a key factor in this. It's bitter because it's going to seed. So you can do one of two things here. You can leave that plant alone, let it do its cycle, let it flower. It's going to produce seed. You can save that seed, plant it again next year or in the fall. Or as it's doing its going to seed process, bolting process, you can remove the plant in its entirety, or how much ever lettuce you think you're going to consume at one setting, and take the leaves off of the stem. You're going to take and put it on a cutting board and take a pizza cutter, one of the rolly things that you cut pizza with, and cut the central vein out of each leaf. So you're going to cut the vein out. You're going to have two pieces of leaf. Those pieces of leaf are as edible and as crunchy and as tasteful as lettuce was ever designed to be. The vein is what contains that bitterness. So we've got about 10 bundles or 10 plants of romaine going to seed right now, and that is what we are doing because we can't consume all the romaine lettuce that's out in our garden. So you take that center vein out, you eat the leaves that's remaining, nothing's wrong with it. And you can do that for as long as you need to, as long as you keep the plant healthy.